Okay, so we got the tower. He's back. Chip 3055. So necessary. Share. Same old dude. I got this little meter here, just hooked straight to an AV plug. Got a wire on it, little tiny antenna. But for me, it's a good way of precisely measuring a little bit of power. See, the closer I get, how the meter goes. Further back, get nothing, absolutely nothing back here. Closer I get, start to get more and more. But I can follow the field all the way down. The power cord, which is a 12-volt adapter right here. Hooked to this power strip. Of course, the strip, I don't read anything along the strip. The adapter, though, I get a little bit, and all the way down the line, I'm able to basically take this number that I'm getting, the peak. This is a little over 10. I'm able to get about the same throughout the length of the wire. So that's basically just any lead that's touching the circuit becomes hot, and it seems as if no matter how long that is, it's going to have the same electric field strength all the way down it. At least that's what I can see. On these over here, it's just another some more LEDs, Christmas tree lights on AV plug with a capacitor on it. That's just sitting next to the adapter. So those are running off the cat. But what's interesting about those is, take those off, bring these guys over here to the tower. They light up a little bit. Not a whole lot, depending on how I touch. If I touch the terminals, of course they light up. And same thing, if I plug it in to itself, it wants to light up even more. See if I can see this. There you go. Plugged it into itself. Oops. Now it wants to kind of light up. It's hard to see. Very weird. Down here, not really getting anything. Off the LEDs, with the fluorescent, that'll still light all along the input. I don't know. Some are not all will light. Anyway, got a radio here. It's a little guy right here. It's like a camping radio. It's on right now. Hear him. that's not being affected by the field. Not until I get really close. Frequency is too high. It has to be so close where the field is just overpowering the circuit in there, I guess. But it's not affecting other circuitry. Now, the difference is, let's say I had other things plugged into that power strip. Those might be affected because you have that hot line, high voltage hot line, super high voltage hot line connected to it. So, for example, if I have this connected to the same power strip as my computer, then the computer, for whatever reason, always wants to go into standby mode, and it's always affected. Not because of the field coming from the tower, but because of some kind of way because I can do this right here. No, this is telling you that this is a super hot line right here. I'm lighting this bulb. That's how high the voltage is with my fingers. I'm just holding it. That's happening all the way through. So anything you have connected to the same outlet, power strip, what have you, can really be affected. So that's where it gets dangerous. And I actually killed one of my hard drives in my computer too, doing that. And I was like, damn, but then I went and I plugged it in, left it in the same spot, but plugged it into a different outlet, and sure enough, it didn't do anything. Because for whatever reason, once you get past a certain point, it's not hot anymore. I guess it has to do with the surge protector itself, or the distance of the wiring in your walls, what have you. But if it's the same outlet or power strip, be careful. That's the point there. But as you can see, I've got this radio right here. It's not damaging the radio. I've had a small clock radio that, as long as I move it too close, as long as I don't move it too close, it's fine. But then if I have it plugged into the same outlet and I have it sitting, even like maybe over here, it's going to get affected. So that's the thing about that. I don't know if it works the same way for everybody's, but that's what I'm realizing. Thanks for watching. Yes, woo! I don't use a top load because I like to use that as a lighter.